Okay guys, we are going to go through the solution. They gave a question that if the logarithm of 24 base 12 is x, what is the logarithm of 3 base 2? Now let's call what we are looking for a certain value. Why? Because we will give a value where y is an element in the set of real numbers. Now the logarithm of 24 base 12, since our we want to work in base 2 actually, so we change the base to base 2 so that taking the property that um, I'll just be working with my reds, so that the logarithm of a base b is equals to log of, if this is equals to x, we have always seen that this can be written as b to the power x equals to a. Then if that is the case, then if I change the base to a, let's say if I change the base to say c, right, I'm going to have what? If I take logs to the base c on both sides, I'm going to have log b to the power x base c equals log a base c. Now, do you know from power rule of logarithm this power can drop? So I have x log b base c equals log a base c. So it means that x could be equals to what? Log a base c divided by what? Log b base c. So that's actually the property we used to apply when we are doing change of variable. Now if I come here, you notice that I have this logarithm here. Since my result I want is in base 2, I decide to change the base from base 12 to base 2 of this logarithm here. Using this property, my new base is 2, and this is what I have, log 24 base 2, following this property, divided by log 12, this one, base 2. Now we notice that 24 can be written as what? 3 times 8, because my answer here is in terms of the number is 3. So I'll try to look for all possible means to split this number here to 3 if possible, and I found that I can write it like 3 times 8 base 2 over what? Same down, we can write 12 as what? 3 times 4. This is actually 3, even though it's not that way clear. This is 3 here, this is 3. So 3 times 4 base 2. Then do that from the law of logarithm, which says that what? Log a, this property, that log ab base c is what? Log a base c plus log b base c. So I apply the property here top and bottom. So it will be log a base 3 plus log 3 base 2. That's what we have now. Divided by log 3 base 2 plus log 4 base 2. And we know that my logarithm of 3 base 2 is y. So I replace, first of all, my logarithm of 24 base 12 was x. I replace x. Here is y. What is log 8 base 2? Remember, the logarithm of a number is a power to which the base must be raised to give that number. What is that power that where you raise 3? You raise 8 to give, raise 2 to give 8. I think it's 3, right? So the logarithm of 8 base 2 is 3. So you replace it by 3. Same here, the logarithm of this number is what? It's 4, right? Because when you raise 2 raised to the power 2, it will give me 4. So the logarithm is 2. Then now I decide to do cross multiplication here. So I have xy plus 2x, that is this time this time this, equals to what? 1 times all of this, and then I have here I make y the subject because I'm trying to look for what the value of y. What is this value equals to? I come down here, then I make y the subject, and I end up with this. So hence the logarithm of 3 base 2 is equals to what? 3 minus 2x over x minus 1. So thank you very much for watching. If you find this content helpful, do well to share with your classmates and your friends to encourage them as well gain if you gain anything from here. I am your host, Tem Achem Kezengu, and I end here by saying that this is the end.